In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use charts in Monday.com with this comprehensive Monday.com chart tutorial. Whether you're trying to visualize data more effectively or customize your project management interface, charts are a dynamic tool to enhance your workflow. So let's dive right in and explore the process of integrating and customizing a chart on your Monday.com board. To begin, navigate to the specific board you're working on where you want to add your chart. Once you're there, take a look at the top bar of your board. This is where you'll find the view tabs that pertain to that particular board. These tabs are your gateway to various visual configurations and display options. Focus here because this is where you'll get started with your chart. Look for the small plus icon, which is conveniently located along these view tabs. By clicking this icon, you're given the opportunity to enhance your board with additional views. From the drop-down options, select Chart. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with this step. It's as easy as a few clicks. Upon making this selection, a dashboard is automatically created for you, featuring a sleek new chart widget. Now, let's interact with this fresh chart widget. Clicking on the widget itself will open up new avenues for customization. Begin by locating the three dots icon, sometimes affectionately called the ellipsis, positioned in the top right corner of the widget. Clicking on this will reveal a menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where the magic truly begins, as you can start tailoring the chart to fit your specific needs. Once inside the settings, the first thing you will notice is the ability to select the chart type. Whether you prefer a pie, line, column, or bar chart, the choice is yours, allowing you to pick the one that best represents your data. Moving along, you will then set the appropriate axes. Choosing the right X and Y axis is crucial for an accurate depiction of your information. Further customizing options include adding labels to ensure your data points are clearly understood at a glance. If you want to highlight specific values or goals, adding benchmark lines can be a helpful visual aid. Additionally, you have the flexibility to include or exclude groups, as well as columns, depending on the specifics of the data you wish to represent. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide to using charts on Monday.com. With these tools and customization options at your disposal, you can transform raw data into insightful visual representations that support your decision-making process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy bringing your data to life.